Lenovo's prototype laptop has a growing screen that doubles in height. What? Ooh, tall laptop. Productivity laptop. I'll take it. I'll take it, Will. Ergonomically, I'm not hunching over on this type of design. It's like, imagine, I'm like, my eye line can be here because you're usually looking and reading towards the top of your display.
Yeah.
Rolling tech. We all were thinking about the phones and the folding and the possibility for rolling, but rolling tech can go elsewhere. Could be TVs and laptops, obviously. Could be tablets. To kick off Tech World 2022, the event that's happening today, Lenovo shared a video teasing a couple of prototype devices that leverage an OLED display, rolling up like a piece of paper, and a laptop that transforms to provide twice as much real estate. Wow, is it really twice as much? I
don't think this is twice. Is it?
Maybe it is. Maybe it is, Will.
Okay.
I like that. You could have one window above, one window below. Oh, look at this. We got a whole video. Look at this. Folding phones, and he basically says everything that I say, and he's like, that's cool. Like, phones are cool. Oh, I saw this as well. The phone that grows upward. Cool. Did you see that one?
No.
Yeah, the phone rolls up and down. You get a taller phone when you start watching a video, or when you turn it and you go landscape, it just already is opening up.
Oh, wow.
No seams there. You don't see any seams, Will?
No.
No.
Very cool.
Yeah, they've always, Lenovo's kind of fringy when it comes to design. Like,
they're experimental.
Yes, experimental.
Good for them.
And so the laptop's interesting. I'd obviously love to check it out on the channel. The physical product, because that is was that Queen? Go back up there. Never mind.
Queen Latifah?
That's what I thought, but I think I'm wrong. I'm thinking at this point.
Okay.
I'm thinking I'm wrong at this point, Will. You really want to get to the bottom of it. It was a very small thumbnail.
Oh, yeah, you're right. It is Queen Latifah.
Is it? And I could tell from now. Wow, I'm actually kind of impressed at this point, because it was a small, for me, it's even smaller. You're looking at a screen. I'm just seeing a small thumbnail.
Yeah.
They got a Queen Latifah deal.
Okay. Good for them.
So, Microsoft's new $599 Mac Mini-like PC is designed to improve Windows on ARM. Windows Dev Kit 2023 hardware will help developers build Windows on ARM apps, just as Microsoft makes a bigger effort to improve its ARM efforts. Well, look at this promo video here. That was like some Space Odyssey. What was it, coming out of the rock or the monolith? Can you go back to the beginning of that?
With the sounds and everything?
Kind of like that, isn't it?
It has like a Halo vibe.
Or maybe that's what it is. Well, Microsoft always has a Halo vibe, don't they? What does it come out of the rock? Yeah, okay. Known previously as Project Volterra. The dev kit will be available today in Australia, Canada, China, France, Germany, Japan, the United Kingdom, and the US. Developers will be able to purchase a device, but really anyone wanting a miniature Windows on ARM machine can buy one too. That would be a bit weird to go ahead and buy one of these just as a consumer, a dev kit.
Yeah.
But maybe you're an enthusiast. That's possible. Or maybe people will be interested in it. Maybe we should order one up. It's only $5.99.
People buy Mac Minis.
They do.
And they want the PC version, you can get this one.
It's just kind of...
Or you can stack it.
Funny idea. The Windows Dev Kit 2023 is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8CX Gen 3 platform with 32 gigs of RAM, 12 gigs of NVMe storage, 2 USB-C 3.2 Gen 2 ports on the side, and 3 USB-A 3.2 Gen 2 ports on the rear, Ethernet, and mini display port. Windows on ARM. Is that the future of Windows? I guess.
Yeah.
Everything's shrinking. So...
All right, let's get into car talk.
Car Talk 2022. Did you order any new cars, Will? No? Any updates?
Although the Polestar 3. Yeah, that's a cool one.
What the hell is that supposed to mean, the way you just presented that?
I want to check it out. What
are you going to do?
I think I'm going to go visit Polestar.
Get out of here.
In Toronto.
You're going to go visit?
Yeah.
What? You're going to go to a car dealership?
Yeah, I want to drive it.
See, I told you you're having.
I should talk to Polestar.
I told you
Get it
you're
here,
having
actually.
too much fun. I told you that. Now I know for sure.
Yeah.
You're just going around to different dealerships and stuff and eating pizza and going to bed early. This is incredible stuff, Will.
Going to bed early.
You got it all under control. You know that?
I try.
So much so that you order multiple cars at the same time.
Yes.
So, any updates or no?
Tesla in, I think, 2 weeks. Yeah.
Are you going to pull it right over here and we're going to inspect it?
Sure,
And,
why not?
And we're going to look for panel gaps, or what are we going to do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you going to do that type of video? Like, what do they call it? Is it a delivery video? What do they call that? Inspection? What?
Yeah, delivery day.
People do that.
Come follow me.
No, people do it, and then
I
they,
know,
they
yeah.
go around and
That's
they
what
look.
I watch.
That's what you watch.
Yeah.
That's your content that you're into. Yeah.
Because I want to follow them and, pick apart the Tesla.
Because you're going to be that guy.
I will
2
be that
weeks.
guy, definitely.